Going back to today's lecture. Welcome, and how are we doing today? How is our weekend? I hope everything is moving on smoothly. So today, without wasting much of our time, we are going to deal on now in Igbo language. Now in Igbo language. Yeah. Last week we were able to treat prepositions in Igbo language, and today we are going to treat noun. What are nouns in Igbo language? What is a noun? Back then in school, we were taught that a noun is a name of a person, animal, or thing. A noun is a name of a person, animal, or thing. N'okwu Igbo, anyị tụlee ya, kedu ihe bụ aha ma ọ bụ mkpoaha? In Igbo, we say that in Igbo, a noun, a na-akpọ noun, mkpoaha, or ma ọ bụ aha. Mkpoaha ma ọ bụ aha. Gịnị bụ mkpoaha? Anyị wee na-akọwa na mkpoaha bụ ihe eji amara ndị, ihe ma ọ bụ ebe. Ihe eji amara ndị ya bụ mmadụ, ihe eji amara ihe, thing, na ihe eji amara ebe, place. That is a simple definition of a noun in Igbo language. Then anyị na-ekwuzi si kedu ihe bụ ihe eji amara ndị, ihe eji amara mmadụ n'Igbo. Ihe dịka aha mmadụ, ihe dịka ụmụ nwoke, eji mara ụmụ nwoke, men, eji mara ụmụ nwanyị, women, ihe eji mara ụmụntakịrị, children, ihe eji mara ndị teachers, ndị nkuzi, ihe eji mara ha. Elekwana ihe eji mara ebe, ihe eji mara ebe dịka Germany, Nigeria, Sokoto, Abidjan, America, ma ndị anyị chetara ma ndị anyị cheta. Kekwana ihe eji mara ihe, ihe eji mara ihe dịka ngaji, ite, ihe ndị ahụ na-adịghị eku ume. Ihe ndị ahụ na-adịghị eku ume, those things that doesn't breathe, they are known as thing. Those things that doesn't breathe are known as things. Ihe eji marakwanụ ndị, human beings. Ihe eji mara ebe, places. Ihe eji mara anụmanụ, ihe dịka nkịta, ejiri mara nkịta, eji mara ewu na ndị ọzọ. Ihe a bụ ihe a na-akpọ mkpoaha. Mkpoaha bụ ihe eji amara ihe ndị. Then another thing I want us to understand that in English, when we want to call a noun, for instance, when we want to say a place, want to say something, say a table, a place, a teacher, a farmer, a guest, you know. So when we want to say all those things in English language, we always put a. But in Igbo language, there is no way you put a when you want to say something. Just like when you want to say a teacher, you can say a teacher. In Igbo language, you can say onye nkuzi, a teacher, onye nkuzi, a farmer, a guest, a lawyer, a singer, Then if you want to say it in Igbo, you say onye, onye, onye. Then when we want to say plural in Igbo, just like when you want to say a is singular in English language, like right? A this is in singular form. On a goes otu ihe. Singular means ofu ihe. Ofu ihe. On a goes otu ihe. Mana mgbe chọrọ ikwu okwu plural. Plural means ihe dị more than one. That thing is more than one. When it's a single thing, it is singular. When it's plural, it's more than one. So when we want to say something in a plural form, you now use ndi, ndi, ndi. For instance, when we want to say a woman, women, you now say wine. Women, wine. If you want to say it in plural form. Then when we want to say onye Igbo. Abụ m onye Igbo. I am an Igbo person. Then if you want to say it in plural, you now say ha bụ ndị Igbo. They are Igbo people. Ha bụ ndị Igbo. So all these things are what we use to, identify now. When you want to say a name of a place, a name of a thing, a name of an animal, or a name of a place. That's just noun for you. It is used to identify all these places. It is used to identify a person, identify an animal, identify a place, identify a thing. So that's what noun simply means. So today's lecture is going to be a very short one. It's very clarified, So we are going to put down some little things and then we'll call it a day. Then by tomorrow, we'll now discuss another thing. Maybe tomorrow we'll talk about verb. We'll talk about verb in Igbo language. So now we are going to, give examples of noun. I'm going to give an example of a noun. I not cover that now. A noun is the name of a place, animal, or a thing. So now Igbo. A noun na kowa mad Mkpoaha. Na kowa mad. Okay, let me bring it down. So it won't be. Mkpoaha na-akọwa mmadụ. Ọ na-akọwa mmadụ, ebe, na ihe. So ihe bụ ihe a na-akpọ mkpoaha. Mkpoaha ma ọ bụ aha. O ejiri mara noun in Igbo language. Ọ na-akọwa mmadụ, ebe, na ihe. Simply meaning a noun is a name of a person, animal, or thing. It's used to identify a person, identify a place, identify a thing. So aga m enye unu ọtụtụ ihe a ga-eji kọwaa mkpoaha. ihe ndị ahụ bụ na nkọwa otu ihe, which is singular. Nkọwa otu ihe, which is in brackets singular. Which is singular. Anyị na-ekwu na nkọwa otu ihe, which is singular. We are talking about something. For instance, onye nkuzi, a teacher. For instance, a teacher onye nkuzi. Onye nkuzi, a teacher. Then if you want to say it in singular, let me just put it together so that this is in singular. If you want to put it in plural, we'll now say ndị nkuzi. Ndị nkuzi, meaning teachers. Okay, let me put it this way so that it will not, for those people that are not online today, so that when they are checking it, it won't be difficult for them. Also, I'm going to do it this way. A teacher, onye nkuzi, ndị nkuzi. On top of it, beside it, I'm going to put singular. I'm going to put X. I'm going to put X, meaning singular. Then ndị nkuzi, meaning plural. Onye nkuzi, singular. Ndị nkuzi, plural. Then we'll move to a farmer. A farmer. Onye ubi. Onye ubi. Singular. Ndị ubi. Plural. I hope people are understanding me this way. A teacher, onye nkuzi, singular. Ndị nkuzi, plural. And ana m akọwa na singular simply means in Igbo language otu ihe. Plural in Igbo language, ihe abụọ maọbụ ihe dị ọtụtụ. When that one is more than one. Anyị na-akọwa na teacher in Igbo language, onye nkuzi. In plural, ndị nkuzi. Farmer in singular, onye ubi. In plural, ndị ubi. Guest, a guest. A guest. A guest. Onye ọbịa. Onye ọbịa. Ndị ọbịa. Ndị ọbịa. Then we'll move to another one, a singer. A singer. A singer. Onye egwu. Ndị egwu. Then we'll move to another one, a traveler. Onye njem. Ndị njem. So these are the way you will be able to identify those things. We're not going to start discussing, maybe starting calling out all the names, like if you want to call a name of a place, a name of an animal, a name of a thing, or I'm just trying to generalize everything. So that you understand how noun works. A noun is simply used to to identify a name of a place, a name of a thing, a name of an animal. Like deka. In the name of ihe. A na-akọwa tebụl, ihe ndị ahụ na-anaghị eku ume, ihe. For a name of a place, ebe, Germany, Nigeria, ma ndị ọzọ. Then I'm just trying to specify this so that you understand how it was. Like when you want to say a name of to call a name of a thing, or a name of a person, or a name of a of a place. Then I now use I use singular and plural to explain it. Like we want to say a teacher, a name of a person. Somebody can be a teacher. Oh, hey, Jeremiah. That's what that person is known for. If you're a teacher, when you go to school, your pupils or your student will call you my teacher. So now when you want to say it in Igbo language, or in English language, it's called a teacher. In Igbo language, it's onye nkuzi, for singular. Teachers, ndị nkuzi, plural. A farmer, onye ubi, singular. When it's one, singular. Ndị ubi, plural. A guest, onye ọbịa, ndị ọbịa. A singer, onye egwu, ndị egwu. A traveler, onye njem, ndị njem. Ma ndị ọzọ ha dị ọtụtụ. So in order not to make the video too long, and we are stopping here. This is just an example of what you need to know about a noun. A noun is called Mkpoaha or aha, maọbụ aha, in Igbo language. And I've also discussed on, how a noun works, what it is meant for. It is used to identify a name of a place, animal, or thing. Simply a name of a place, animal, or thing. So I gave you examples of how it works. For instance, if I want to call the examples, I'll just call probably Ahmad, name of a person. Then I'll call name of a thing, maybe table, chair, house, and all the rest of them. Then for animal, maybe I'll call names of animals, monkey, and all the rest of them, dog, and all the rest of them. Then when I want to call places, I'll call maybe Nigeria, Germany, and all the rest of them. These are just nouns. So I now want to use that scenario to also explain to us how we can use singular and plural in Igbo language. So when something is singular, I also say that when something is singular, it means one thing. Otu ihe. when it is plural, ihe dị ọtụtụ. And I gave examples of how you use them in Igbo language, like when you want to say a teacher, onye nkuzi, ndị nkuzi, plural. A farmer, onye ubi, ndị ubi. A guest, onye ọbịa, ndị ọbịa. A singer, onye egwu, ndị egwu. A traveler, onye njem, ndị njem. So I thank you all for your active participation. Please don't forget to share the video. Don't forget to like the video, share the video. Let others know that they can also speak Igbo language without adding English. Yeah, that is the dream of each and every one of us. So don't forget to join us tomorrow, same time tomorrow, on another lecture. Tomorrow we're going to treat verb in Igbo language. So don't forget to join us tomorrow for another interesting topic. I still remain your classic ZIZARA. I thank you for your active participation and enjoy your night, okay? Bye and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.